Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I said I was going to do this video last week and never got to it. It's been a crazy morning already this morning. I'm not even as prepared for this as I wanted to be. My husband forgot he had an MRI this morning and at the last minute was rushing out the door. And so I was trying to throw everything at him as he went. First off, I again want to say thank you. The people I'm thanking know who they are. Someone gifted me with a beautiful scan and cut that I never expected to get. And I finally got it set up yesterday, and I'm probably going to play with it today for a little while. My creative mojo's off a little bit. My stepkids and my mother-in-law, and then one of my brother-in-laws is all coming in June. And so the girly part of me is like, oh no, I've got to get my house in order. I got to make it look cute and presentable. So I spent a lot of time last week decoupaging little things. I have a big bathroom, this huge bathroom with all these shelves up above the tub and that. It's bigger than one of the bedrooms I had in one of the last apartments I lived in. So I'm decoupaging little things to go up there to make it look cute. And running around like a chicken with my head cut off because it's never going to be... That was my phone, I'm sorry. It's never going to be as cute as I want it to be. So, and I'm probably going to be focusing on stuff like that. I will probably show some of it, but I think now that I have this beautiful scan and cut, I can make some cute things to put up there. It just was a weekend for gifts and making me feel better because I have these bouts, excuse me, of depression and that. And several people lifted me up this weekend, and you don't know how much I appreciated it. My daughters also got me early Mother's Day gift. He went and bought me one of those beautiful carts with the different colored drawers that my 12 by 12 paper pads fit in. So I have a place for my paper, so that's nice. They also got me these cute little clips. They're so cute. They're little paper clips. Those are little cactus. And then there's cats. Some mermaid tails. Oh look, KK, unicorns. I may have to send you a couple and share. But yeah, cute little paper clips. And they got me those. Like I said, they got me that drawer set. And then the other day I watched a lady, she just took a little book page and folded it into an envelope, and it's real simple. So I made one. And it's cute. It's just a book page. And she folded it like in 2/3. And then folded the top third into a point. And all I did was, when I did, I embellished it with a little punch. Put a little butterfly, a little button, a little piece of scrap. And on the back, again, another little piece of the scrap, and a couple little tags I had left over from somewhere else. It's cute. Cute in a little book, and it's functional. You could put a little journaling card or something in it. And I thought it was really a cute little idea. So simple. But now, on to the album I was going to walk through. This is another Wanderlust. This is a medium one by Jenofeve. And it's the same paper line she used on her last one. And I can't think of the name of it right now. It's not the one she's doing right now. It's the one she did previously. However, I used the same paper line. I just used different papers than the ones she used. So, this is the front of the little book. It's a little blank label on it, so you can write whatever you want in it. It's just very plain. You can see the little elastics, and it's made plain so you can carry it in your purse or wherever you want. And there it is. There's the whole thing. And it's a real pretty tealy blue-green on the front. And then I used a crocheted type lace for the tie I can open it now. And again, as some of the accents, I use the same lace. And it's real simple. It's just a plain little journal. And here's a little paper clip with a dangle. And this is a pocket. Let me pull that off here for a second. Again, there's a couple little inserts in there. A corner pocket here with some more inserts. And that. And this is one of the notebooks that comes out. And I bound this one. I didn't do a great job, I don't think. It's just a little, it matches that scrap you saw. It's just a little junk journal. It's got a little button accent like I showed you guys I made last week. And just blank pages. Do whatever you want on them. Some flip out like that. It's just a cute little... And I did make it with a little elastic. So if you just wanted to carry this, sorry, you could carry it in your purse and not worry about it opening up. But when it's in the journal, I just leave it open like that. And my elastic disappeared under the thing. I'll have to dig it out. There it is. Sometimes I am not too coordinated. This is how I do things. I have nerve damage in the one little finger, so it's sometimes hard for me to feel. I gotta pick things up. Ta-da! And back in it goes. And then we have a little 3-slot pocket. And there's a, oops, I need to hold it up so closer so you can see the colors better. And then just some little taggies, little envelope, another little taggy fold out here, a little envelope goes in that pocket. Another little pocket here with another little folder in it. And then, like I said, I used the matching ribbon there. I have another little book here. This is just white paper. It's artist paper. You could draw on it, you could write in it, paint on it, whatever you wanted to do. There's a little side pocket here. And that's that little one. And again, this one comes out too. And then we have this one. Another little pocket here. There's some little journaling cards. Another big tag. The big tag over here too. Big tag, some more journaling cards. This is a tri-pocket. I call it trifold. These just come out. And it's layered in there. So one goes here. One goes here. This is a little envelope with some more little journaling cards in it. Right there. Then we have one more. Again, just blank paper, junk journaling type. And then we write on this one again. There's a fold out page. And just lots of little nooks and crannies. And I left this one with a little flap so you could wrap it around it if you wanted to. Again, it comes right out. It's on elastics. And then this page is a little this is a little paper bag I found that I thought it was cute. I added and just put a little label on it. And there's a couple little tags in it to journal on. Then behind it there is another pocket, big library pocket that you could put things in. I don't think any of these are tall enough. But they just fit, would go right in there. And then these go in this pocket. And no, I didn't. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Like you need me to sing, I'm sorry. And then, again, you could journal on this if you wanted and add pictures or whatever there. Just, like I said, it's just a cute little Wanderlust album, you know, based on Jen's Wanderlust theme. It's a little fatty. Not a little chubby this time. But I like the way it turned out. It's cute. And eventually, I will get some photos taken. I'm lagging way behind on getting things done. And it will be in my exhibit shop. But, again, I want to say thank you to a lot of people. I love you all. You made me cry. Haven't cried in a while. I kind of needed it. Thank you. And hopefully I will be back soon. Soonish. And that was something else I have. Like I said, I'm doing a lot of little projects. And when I do sit here trying to relax and take a minute for myself, I do little things like the little envelope I showed you. And just pick up a scrap of something, a scrap of this, and just put it together. But, you know, I got a couple of months before they get here. It's not like I have to rush around, but you know how you put stress on yourself when your mother-in-law's coming. That's really it. I have a gardening journal I started, but I put it away because I just, it's big and I'm not sure how to bind it. I've watched a couple of binding videos. I think I have an idea, so I may go back to it shortly. I want to print KK's roses and do a little, probably another little journal, something similar to this. I hate the light in here. I'm so sorry. It's so glary. So maybe you'll see something of KK's very shortly. Anyways, again, thank you. You have a wonderful Monday. And I will talk to you all later. Bye-bye.